Hi students, moving on to the next topic, basics of spatial filtering. In spatial filtering, let us consider a pixel xy. xy is part of a 3 by 3 neighborhood. This is only a sub-image of an image f of xy. Spatial filtering is always applied in a neighborhood of input pixels. So if you are considering xy as the input pixel, we can apply some spatial filtering operation on the neighborhood of xy. The neighborhood can be of size 3 by 3, 5 by 5 and so on. The spatial filtering can be either linear or non-linear depending upon the operation we are performing. In general, linear filtering of an image f of size m cross n with a filter mask w having size small m cross n is given by g of xy equals sigma s varying from a minus a to a, sigma t varying from minus b to b, w of st f of x plus s y plus t, where a equals m minus 1 by 2 and b equal to n minus 1 by 2. We can explain this with the help of an example later, so you will get a more idea about it. This process is called a convolution. This process is called a convolution and we can expect problems from convolution. This W or mask, filter mask, we can also call as convolution mask, convolution kernels, etc. So we will discuss about convolution in detail. Here is the image under consideration, image f of xy. Here is the x-axis and here is the y-axis, and we are considering a 3 by 3 neighborhood of that image. So we have this circle, this circular region, we are zooming out here. So here is the mask coefficients. So what is shown here is we are performing a convolution operation on the image using a mask. So for doing that, the mask is being moved from the top left corner to the top right corner. In every point we have to perform convolution, and it is being moved throughout the image from left to right and top to bottom until it reaches the top right corner. So we are considering only an instance when the mask reaches this point. Here is the xy, So here is our window or kernel coordinates w of 0 0. Okay, and all the 8 neighbors are marked here. This is w minus 1 and this is w1 1. And the corresponding points of f of xy is, this is f of xy x y minus 1. This is f of x minus 1 y minus 1. This is f of x plus 1 y plus 1. These are the 8 neighbors of f of xy. And this window is being placed on top of it, and we are doing the convolution operation. So this is about the basics of spatial filtering. In the case of linear filtering, we are performing that convolution operation, whereas in the case of non-linear filtering, we use as a neighborhood, but mathematical operations used are different. So coming to smoothing spatial filters. Smoothing means averaging. Smooth means to get a smooth result, we are finding the average. So to perform averaging, the filter or W what we are using is 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. This is a box filter. If you perform an operation, okay, like this, if you perform a convolution using this box filter, we will get an average filter. If you want to give more weightage to the four neighbors of xy, we can use a weighted average filter. So the result of this gives a smooth filter. So here is the implementation of smoothing filter, and here is the result of an image which has undergone smoothing operator. Our original image is A. It is of size 500 by 500. The result of smoothing with square averaging filter mask of size n equal to 3, 5, 9, 15 and 35 are given. The result is shown. So smoothing means it is averaging and it reduces the noise. But when the size of the filter increases, the image has become blurred. This is another example image from Hubble Space Telescope. So B is the image processed by a 15 by 15 averaging mask. The image has become blurred, and this is the result of thresholding operation. Then there is order statistic filter or median filter. In that case, we are finding if we have a 3 by 3 sub image, if you have a 3 by 3 sub image, xy is replaced with a median of values in this 9 points, this 9 coordinate location. So finding a median and replacing xy with the median value gives us is an example of order statistics filter. This is an example of X-ray image of circuit board corrected by salt and pepper noise. Salt and pepper means we have white noises as well as black noises. Salt and pepper. This is noise reduction with the averaging filter mask. We know most of the noises are not removed and it is available. It is only doing an averaging. But C is the noise reduction with a 3 by 3 median filter, and we can see that most of the salt and pepper noise are removed and we got a better image, an enhanced image. So that's all about order statistics filters. Thank you for listening.